It can still work, Timmy, if you just let me talk. That's right, Bethany. I would flee from those jerks. They malicious. They malicious. Dun dun dun. What's gonna happen next? Dun dun dun. And they're making out. They're freaking making out. Wait, I have an idea. Let's hit Timmy and let's hit Timmy into Sydney. Timmy, you look so weird. You've joined together as one. Oh my god, did they actually make one? Oh, that would be so cool though. Wait, let me see if I can do that. I'm stealing Sydney. Sydney is mine, Timmy. Go find someone else. I'm gonna kill you, Timmy. I didn't do that. And you saw! Babylicious. Timmy is dead. No! Shit, you! Shit, you! Judging that I'm posting at 5 in the morning, I shouldn't really be saying that. I also changed the time to a random number, 9:42, so my parents didn't know. Yeah. It was a huge killing scene back there. Hundreds were murdered. But Timmy still exists. What the heck? Okay, that was kind of weird. I was bouncing, but can't tell anyone about the huge killing scene. I'll kill you. Hey, guys, do you think I should make another Timmy? I think I should. In the next video, you'll find out. And will there be a new girl? And else.